We are at the Duden Wonderland today. We'll see the place. As you can see, lots of tourists here, and it's a beautiful place. You see everyone. This is our van. We're coming, and it's our guide, so we are following him now. So we are getting inside of the Duden Wonderland.
Actually, from London, you might want to wait in the sun.
Yeah.
The ones from the hot countries, Italy after the Alps. So they go along the Adriatic Sea. So ex-Yugoslavia, Croatia, Serbia, Montenegro, Greece. Then they come up Turkey, and from Turkey you can follow them if you like to. You can walk on top of them until Iran.
Oh wow!
So they're like about maybe 3,000 kilometers. This side they are mostly pushed out of the ground, so it's not volcanic. That's why they have so much calcium, and calcium, time, pressure, and heat gives you marble. Yeah. Now you don't wonder why in your hotel everything is marble. If we could, we would even build the beds out of marble, because it's cheap. Yeah. My wife decorated. I just stood next by. We are not allowed. You know, last week we wanted to paint our car. You will please hold on. Don't get a heart attack. I will show you so much water that most Arabian people just
You can see the beautiful sea over there.
Bir otobüs geliyoruz 25 kişi civarında. Yine aynı saatimiz 12 ile 1 arası. চেষ্টা করতেছি
ভিডিও নিতে
আমি ভিডিও করাম ভিডিও করাম থাকা see the Turkish tea over there. Beautiful waterfall.
I'm worried for leaving behind something.
We will be in the old town.
You remember we were doing the pedaling and we were trying to find the lazy therapy.
Yeah. Guys, We are on top of the waterfall, but you can't see it from here. We have to walk a little bit more. I will get you there, but if you want to go on your own, don't waste any time at the
সাকা তুমি উনিও বেটা কিতা কয় কারণ আমি শুনলাম না বুঝছো নি
ফাঁকির লাগে আগে ছবি তুলিলে
ফাঁকি লোক ফটো তুলুন না
কই ফাঁকি কই
তারা আড়াইলিমু আমার তারা আড়াইলিমু
জানি তো কোনো যেখানে কইছে পেজ ভিডিও আগে ওটা দেখি তাদের ফাঁকি কই দেখো আমরা কোনো ফাঁকি দেখলাম না
Yeah, it's really good. Hang on, take another one of these. I'm okay. I've got one.